Now this is how we can set a battery charging limit on the iPad. Let me get started and talk about it. If it's your first time in here on Foxtecc, subscribe so you never miss anything important. So you obviously get inside of your settings app of the iPad and you need to look for the battery section, which should most definitely appear right here. You get to manage it like that, and it kind of depends on your iPad specifically, because some iPads have it a little bit like different. If I go inside of my settings and battery on the iPad Pro, which is a little bit of an older model, you're going to notice that I don't have the ability to see the battery health and the charging and so on, but you can see that I only have the ability to set the battery percentage. Right, but on the newer models, you would be able to tap on the battery health, similar to the iPhone, and then set up the charging optimization and charging limits. So that is something which you can definitely do, but as you can see, it doesn't necessarily work on every single iPad, which is a little bit weird, honestly. Like on this older model, I would love to know the battery health as well as change or check the charging limit. But as you can see, this is kind of how it works. So let me know your thoughts and opinions below in the comments. I really hope that I was able to guide you through it. I'm going to link some additional resources from from Apple sources below so you can read through it. But that's just currently how it works. Let me know your thoughts and opinions below. Thanks a lot, and I'm going to catch you later in the future uploads.